Okay, X Sudoku, very easy, number 3. Looking at the 9s, I see that this 9 covers that whole row. So this 9 has to be in this top row, one of these two. It cannot be here because there's already a 9 on that leg. Got to be there. Now these two cover those columns and this one that row, so this 9 has to be there. These two cover those two columns. That one's got to be there. These cover those two rows. That one's got to be there. These cover those two columns. This covers that row, so that one's got to be there. All the 9s are placed. On to the 8s. I know this 8 covers that whole row, so this one needs to be in this row, one of those two. This one is a no because of that 8, so that's the yes. These cover those two columns, so this one has to be here or here. I do not already have an 8 on that X, so it could be there. I don't know yet. These two cover those two columns, so this is the only availability, and now that tells me this is where that one's got to be. Now no other X can be on this leg. Still need one on this leg, but not on this leg. Speaking of 8s on that leg, can't be here because this square already has an 8. Cannot be here because this square already has an 8. So it has to be in this square. Can't be here because that 8. So this one has to be right there. These two rows are blocked by those two 8s, so this 8 has to be here. Those two columns are blocked, so that one has to be there, and that's all of our 8s. On to our 7s. These two columns are blocked. This row is blocked. There's our 7. This column is blocked. This is already filled in, so it's got to be in this column, but it can't be here, so it must be there. Can't be here for a couple reasons, so must be there. On to the 6s. This is blocked, so this is the yes. This row is blocked, as is this column, so there's our yes. This column is blocked, as is this row, so there's our yes. On to the 5s. This column's blocked, this row is blocked, there's our 5. Now that row is blocked, so there's our 5. This 5 has to be in this middle column. It cannot be here. It cannot be here because even though I haven't placed the 5 yet, it clearly goes there. That's the last spot. So that's where that 5 goes. That's now blocked. That's blocked. So there's that 5. 4s. This row's blocked, so that's where the 4 goes. These two columns are blocked, so that's where that 4 goes. This column and this row are blocked, so that's where that 4 goes. Down to our 3s, only 2 spots and one's blocked. So there's our 3. And 2 spots, one's blocked. There's our 3. 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 The 2s, only spot left, 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 only spot left. And here we actually have 2 spots. This one's double blocked. That's where it goes. And finally, our 1 goes wherever it can. Thanks for watching.